Hello everyone, myself Vandana. Today I would like to tell you two lines about love because I see nowadays every person fall in love very easily. Very nice, but what is all a theoretical love? What is true love, pure love? In my point of view, I think every destruction is love. So let it go and listen my poem. When you saw, my sleep was disturbed. When you saw, my sleep was disturbed. Longing to touch the sky for a moment. Longing to touch the sky for a moment. My consciousness began to sing. My consciousness began to sing. I got up. I fell down. I got up. I fell down. And again I saw. And again I saw grief, destruction, excruciating pain. Grief, destruction, excruciating pain. And finally, one that grows within itself, my realistic imagination. पुणी ओडिया रे जेबे तुम देखिल मो निद भंग है जेबे तुम देखिल मो निद भंग है क्षणकर आकाश को छुईबार लोभरे चेतना मोर बुड़ीबा लगिला क्षणकर आकाश को छुईबार लोभरे चेतना मोर बुड़ीबा लगिला मु पड़िली उठिली झुंकिली मु पड़िली उठिली झुंकिली पुणी देखिली विरह वेदना असह्य जंत्रणा विरह वेदना असह्य जंत्रणा एवं शेष निज भितर गढ़ी उठुवा एक सुंदर वास्तविक पवित्र कल्पना एवं शेष निज भितर गढ़ी उठुवा एक सुंदर वास्तविक पवित्र कल्पना।